forecast with Koin 6 Chief Meteorologist Bruce Sussman.
Well, a good Monday evening to you. Here's a look at your 24-hour forecast first. We always like to start looking ahead, and tonight at 7 o'clock, we're still going to be at 72 degrees with clear skies. Continuing to be clear at 9. Sun is just down and it's 67 degrees. And at 11 o'clock tonight, clear and 61. So later in the evening, you'll want a light jacket. That's about it. Now, tomorrow morning, the forecast starts with a few patchy morning clouds. If you do have them, they won't stick around as long as today's did. Lunchtime is sunny and already 70. And how about finishing off in the low to mid 80s tomorrow? We'll call it 83 at 5 o'clock. Now today we have those morning clouds, but it's interesting how they go from totally socked in to all of a sudden the clouds just evaporate and the sun does its thing. And you know, I was talking about that with today the first graders out at Portland Lutheran in outer southeast. So thanks again, kids. It was great chatting with you and good questions on tornadoes. A lot of tornado talk given the recent news out of Oklahoma with those last two series of tornadoes. Around here, it's just beautiful, isn't it? I've seen a few boats go by on the Willamette. Gorgeous clear shot of Mount Hood and nothing but blue out there. 74 degrees, and right now the wind is calm, although at times later this evening when we get a little stretch of time where it's a bit breezy, but it won't last very long. High temperatures, 75 in Portland and Salem, even warmer in Eugene. We had a few 80s on the board. Tomorrow, let's make a bunch of these into the 80s. That's what we're going to do in the forecast. And specifically today, we had the morning clouds that developed. They weren't so much over Washington County. They were mainly over Portland and east, and then slowly cleared out. Tomorrow, anything we have is going to clear out very quickly, and it should be more patchy in nature than it was today. High pressures keeping us dry and clearing our skies. I mean, we've got some storms down here to the south, storms to the east, rain up here to the north, and none of it can get to us right now because of that high pressure. The main storm track is going up and around us, and that trend is going to last, I believe, all the way through the week. So tomorrow, here's what we start with in the morning, right? We have some patchy morning clouds in the valley. This is 7 a.m., but notice they don't last long at all tomorrow. And it's clear at lunchtime everywhere, even the beach. And that's true as we go all the way through the day tomorrow. Just another gorgeous day of sun. So we'll see mid to upper 60s at the coast. We'll see a low to mid 80s in the valley. Patchy and brief morning clouds. Otherwise, it's sunshine. Sunshine east of the mountains. Highs in the 80s to near 90, if you can believe that. 80s through the gorge and even a 70 on Mount Hood with sunshine all day long. In Portland, 84 for a high temperature. It's the brief and patchy morning clouds that'll be around. Maybe a few over Washington County, but low to mid 80s will do it for your highs tomorrow afternoon. And 85 for those of you in Milwaukee, 84 at PDX. And if you're up in Vancouver, how about 83 for a high in Scappoose, a gorgeous finish at 82 degrees. So here's how I'm playing it the next few days. Tomorrow, any morning clouds clear out earlier than today. And Tuesday and Wednesday, highs are like early August, actually. Then Thursday, it's some filtered sun plus morning clouds. That cools us a bit, but we're right back to 80 degrees by the time we get to Saturday. So we've got some fantastic weather. This means the junior parade, which is happening midweek. The weather's going to be outstanding, just a little warm, get the kids in the sunscreen, right?
Oh, good.
And then as we go into Saturday, maybe some patchy morning clouds, then a sunny day for the parade for Grand Floral.
Yeah. Oh, good. We've seen worse.
We have seen a lot worse.
I remember some years where it was pouring down.
You're not kidding.
All right. Thanks, Bruce.
All right.